Today will we learn about birds name means पक्षियों के नाम. Let's start. Sparrow. It is a sparrow. Bat. It is a bat. Cock. It is a cock. Pigeon. It is a pigeon. Owl. It is a owl. Peacock. It is a peacock. Parrot. It is a parrot. Crow. It is a crow. Duck. It is a duck. Cuckoo. It is a cuckoo. Eagle. It is a eagle. Bulbul. It is a bulbul. Hen. It is a hen. Ostrich. It is a ostrich. Robin. It is a robin. Bluebird. It is a bluebird. Swan. It is a swan. Nightingale. It is a nightingale. Dove. It is a dove. Crane. It is a crane. Kingfisher. It is a kingfisher. Manna. It is a manna. Woodpecker. It is a woodpecker. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.